If your Claude Code sessions feel like they're getting dumber the longer you use them, it's not because the model got worse. It's because one of the habits almost every developer has, including you probably right now. Here's how it happens. You start a task, Claude asks a follow-up, you answer, then you remember something totally unrelated, a bug, a slow build, whatever, and you just ask it right there in the same window. By the time you're 3 tasks deep in one session, Claude is buried under everything you've ever said to it. That's the mistake. It's quiet, it doesn't throw an error, and the fix is one/command you're probably not using enough. Quick reset so the rest of this makes sense. Claude Code's context window is its working memory. It's a fixed budget depending on your setup, somewhere around 200,000 to a million tokens. And 4 things eat into it. 1. Every message you send, and every message Claude sends back. 2. Every file it reads in full. 3. Every command it runs and the output that command comes back, including stuff like long build logs or stack traces. And 4. The one nobody thinks about, tools from MCP servers you've got connected. Their definitions get loaded into context whether you actually use them in that session or not. Here's the part most people don't internalize. A session at 90% context isn't just slower, it's dumber. Important instructions get buried under everything that came after them. Stuff from earlier in the conversations gets lost in the middle. And Claude starts making mistakes it simply wouldn't make in a clean window. Here's a rule of thumb, and honestly, it's a good one to just keep in the back of your head. Once you cross roughly 60% context usage, that's your cue to start paying attention. You don't have to panic and clear immediately, but that's the point where quality starts to quietly sleep well before you hit some scary red context full warning. Waiting until you are at 95% means you've already been getting worse answers for a while without knowing it. Let's jump into Claude Code and see how we can check context usage. But before we do that, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So to check my context, I simply run context/command and I get breakdown of the session. As you can see, I've already used up about 45% of my context, so I should be thinking about wrapping up this session. You can also see the estimated usage by category. You have your system prompt, in my case it doesn't take much, then system tools, the MCP tools, and MCP tools can take a lot of your context, sometimes up to 30%. You have to be careful with those. However, nowadays Claude uses load on demand MCP, so during this session the Chrome DevTools MCP was loaded on demand and only cost me 2,200 tokens, which is not a lot. So if you're using Claude or any other coding agents, check if your MCP tools are loaded on demand, and if they're not, check if you can configure it. Next, you have memory files, which don't take many tokens. Then, skills. Also not much because I don't have a lot of skills configured here. And then messages. Messages by far take the most context because Claude is reading files, talking back and forth, getting responses. That's going to be your biggest category every time. Then you have free space and auto-compact buffer. Auto-compacting is a feature of Claude Code where when your context reaches about 90 to 95% usage, it compacts automatically. The upside is obvious. Your session gets smaller so you can keep working. The downside is that you may lose some information because the context got compacted and things can get lost in the summary. So, running context command every so often is useful to keep an eye on your session. But it can break your flow. Who wants to stop and type command every few minutes? You may have already noticed I have a status line right here at the bottom showing my context usage. I'm at 45%, the same number as context command gave me. This status line is not a default option. It's hidden unless you go ask for it. To make it show up, you just type this command. /status line, show model name, and context percentage with a progress bar. That's it. That's the whole setup. Claude Code writes the script for you, saves it, and wires it up automatically. Now you have context percentage always visible. No more typing command to check it, just glance down. And this may be the single highest leverage 30 seconds you spent in this entire video. Pause, run that command in your own terminal right now, and you'll never again get blindsided by a degraded session. So what's the actual fix when your context is growing out of hand? It's one command, /clear. This wipes the conversation history completely. Claude rereads your claude.md file if you have one. It still has access to your files, but all the back and forth, the dead ends, the unrelated tangents, gone. Clean slate. The question is when to run it, and honestly, you don't need to overthink it. Here's the rule I use. Clear after every commit. Think about it. A commit means the task is done. It's tested, it's saved, it's in your Git history if you ever need to look back at it. There is nothing left in that context worth carrying forward. So, finish the task, commit it, /clear, move to the next thing. Now, sometimes you don't want to fully wipe the slate. Maybe you want to keep some continuity. That's what /compact command is for. It summarizes everything so far and keeps going on top of that summary rather than deleting it outright. Claude will also do this automatically when your session hits about 90 to 95%, but you can run it on demand whenever you want. Clear deletes, compact summarizes, different tools for different moments. One more pattern worth stealing because it saved me more than once. The two-strike rule. If Claude gets down the wrong path and you correct it and it goes down the wrong path again, don't keep piling corrections onto that same conversation. At that point, the failed attempt is sitting right there in the context and it'll keep dragging Claude back towards it. Just clear and write a better prompt up front using what you just learned. It feels slower in the moment, but it's actually faster in the long run. So, quick recap. New task, new session. Your context window is the most valuable resource you have in Claude Code, and most developers fill it with the leftovers without even realizing it. If you didn't catch it earlier, run status line, show model name, and context percentage with a progress bar right now, so you never have to ask context manually again. Keep an eye on that number. Once you're past roughly 60%, that's your cue to start wrapping up. And build a habit. Finish, commit, clear.